So I'm ready to talk Trini. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Craft Markets on the Next Level
by Nenica Edwards.
Masha de breaks.
Heaven on earth, not no tale for some old wife.
Pull up at P21 Shop in Paradise.
Go check 'em out on the greens, if you haven't yet been.
The Rara Craft Market looking well smashing, and all the vendors and them lashing.
Caro for Lori? Now that is boss.
Including the mango chutney sauce. Oh.
She making it fresh right on the spot.
And brown bagging is for your nice and hot.
And even has sandwich, brick back thing from the mall.
Fish burger, hot dog at the friendly small stall.
Topped with topping and condiments fit for a king.
Like garlic sauce and caramelized onion rings.
And if you feel you go to Tellel in the tropic heat,
then down cool yourself slushy smoothie sweet.
Try to come out early when you're passing through.
Them drinks don't sell out like fete tickets for Carnival 2022.
Milky Coffee Delight or Juicy Mango Joy, peak quick.
Chocolate top heaven or beyond quenchers with the citrus kit.
And don't talk for we Casabon artists coming up stars.
With print and posters at our Boss Bazaar.
Digital acrylic watercolor pieces of wonder.
And prices that won't have you bank account going under.
It even have a thing called epoxy, what make with creative class.
Do you ever hear about that? It come like collage encased in glass.
You could get it as a food tray or as nice tingo-eng.
It could even put down its flooring, dang.
Oh, and come got flowers and plenty plants.
Room tabletop gardens of Eden on a promising piece of land.
And sniff the sweetest homemade soaps that good for eternal youth.
Them come like magic, like natural magic woken potions that go make all your pores holler and hoot.
You could sit with chocolate or lavender cakes.
Bars made with noni or lemon scented Latin mix.
Grab your goodies before all get take.
And if you're looking for the finest wooden crafts,
then Lala go fix you at nice as a fast.
With frames for plant pots and many vintage cars.
Or fine Christmas trees that's selling like hot rock cakes from Mars.
Go have you to know Lala is a lady.
And the quality, she go walk done miles from Shady.
Easy, no easy. And have to said.
And I'm proud that she could handle sheep carpentry stories all the day.
This day fair is a tutti bagai ting brim with talent galore.
A place with gallery and custom jewelry, tote bags, dandan, and so much milk and honey more.
How all ya a bustin' doing Angel Gabriel door?
And tell ya 'tis come like a blessed seven.
Just now all your tongue go to be storming heaven.
If ya go get, you're missing out. If go get, you're missing out.
But please don't brawl or long out your mouth.
Is now or never.
De 10 cent MA. Go pitch up forever.
Time done tapping, he toes and tick 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 tock ticking.
Come now, don't be sticking.
Don't be sticking. Sticking.
Pick up yourself and go join in.
To not be there.
Ties the unforgivable sin.
The end.
All right then.
Cheers.
Thank you.
The ebook Craft Market on a Next Level is available on Amazon. You can make it your Trini Talk Challenge souvenir. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like to continue following this project, or if you would like to explore other content on this channel, please subscribe.